Carrie with funforfirstcoastkids.com, and I am here. You're not going to believe this. We are at another fun center announcing a huge thing that they're doing here. We're at Jumpers Fun Center with Duvan, right?
Yes.
And she owns Jumpers Fun Center. She's a former school teacher, and what they're doing here at Jumpers is opening escape rooms, which is huge for Clay County. You're the only escape rooms in this area, is that right?
That's right, we're the first one.
First one. So not only is this a huge jump facility, which you can see in the description of this video, but now they're offering escape rooms. And what you do is there's clues all throughout this room, which I cannot show you any of the room. I'm going to show you one picture, and you have to find clues in the room that give you the codes and to get out of this door. And you do it in 60 minutes or less. And if you don't do it in 60 minutes, what happens?
You don't solve the puzzle, but we will tell you how to get out.
So
you're not stuck here forever.
Yeah, and how did you decide on escape rooms? Have you read about it and know how exciting it is, and have you done it before?
Yeah, we have done. My family and I did it before, and it was a lot of fun. And so we decided that, with Orange Park, there was a need for more entertainment. And so with our facility, we wanted to make sure that we are the family fun center, that people can come and pay a small price and be here all day and really enjoy the entertainment for a very low cost, really, for an all-day entertainment center.
Awesome. So we're going to show you everything they have here at Jumpers. We're going to go to the bazooka ball, the inflatables, the arcade, and birthday parties you have. Mm-hmm. And what else do you have? Like the summer camps can come in.
Summer camps can book field trips here. We do moms groups. We can do field trips. We do school fundraisers. We do a Fun Friday fundraiser for schools where the school will pick a night on a Friday, and the admission's $9. But for everybody that shows up from their school, I give the school back $3. So that night we tally up how many of their students came or the family members came that paid, and then we give $3 back off of every admission back to the school. I write a check that night, and then take it back to the school. It's a very easy and fun
awesome.
way.
That's a great fun. Yeah, everybody has fun, and then you can make income. So I'm going to show you around Jumpers. Jumpers is open. They have been here for a while. You can come jump. Our family loves Jumpers. The escape rooms you can book online now, but they're not open for the grand opening until next Wednesday, so right. April 19th. Right? And the escape rooms are $22 a person if you just walk in, but if you book online, it's only $20 a person, and if you have a group of 4 or more, it's $18 a person. So grab your friends and come on out, and we're going to show you some more. And I'm going to grab the phone, thank you. And this is the only thing I can show you is the Mona Lisa. And then we're going to go. Thank goodness we can get out, because I know I probably could never get out. Okay, so Jumpers has a really neat bazooka ball area. So we're coming into the battle zone. And these are the jackets that they have. And these are the guns that you shoot, and they're really soft Nerf balls.
So yeah, these are paintball guns, and they have an attachment, and you shoot these 2-inch diameter Nerf golf balls in here. They fit in. You have to load them one at a time, and then you have 10 minutes in the battle zone arena, and it's live score with the vests. They're Wi-Fi to the scoreboard. If you're 18 or under, you do have to wear a head protection. And then if you'll come into the arena.
Anna, yeah, you should come try an escape room here if you haven't done one. You can book online now, and then you can start coming on Wednesday. This place is so neat how they have the black lights, and there's plenty of places to hide. And just the art on the walls is really interesting. Olivia, that's cool. Where do you live? Do you live in Orange Park? I love it. Okay, let's head over to the bounce houses. That's my favorite area. Okay. So we head back this way, and they have 4 rooms, at least 4, for birthday parties. So you can have a birthday party at Jumpers and have space for your food and your pizza. And then you can do the arcade and the bounce houses or do bazooka ball. So let's head over here. And these are some of the biggest inflatables you've ever seen. There's a toddler area. And these are just amazing inflatables. Amber, it's so cool. If you haven't been here, we've been before and our kids love it. They're here and you won't be able to find them. So this inflatable, you can jump as well as slide down the slide. Then you come down here. And I know my son loves fire trucks, so. So then they also have arcades with about 50 video games. Playing in there. This hurricane simulation is really an interesting game. The games have tickets, so you can win prizes. And there's another playroom here that fits 35 to 40 people. Yeah, Vanessa, come on over to Orange Park. Try the escape room. Here's some of the video games. And these are some of the prizes you can win. And there's more video games. Yeah. And here's another party room. So this is a huge space. It fits 40 people. So you can come in and have your cake and presents and food, and then everybody can go play. Yeah, Samantha, so everybody, if you comment on this video, you're entered to win 2 tickets. So a family 4-pack of tickets to get in, but kids 13 and up are free because they can play the video games. The bazooka ball is $7 to play. $6 to play bazooka ball. So your 2 kids, 12 and under, would get in free. Parents and children ages 13 and up are always free. Or instead of jumping, you can do bazooka ball. So definitely come out and try jumpers. And next Wednesday is when they open their escape rooms. I can't wait to try it. And you can book online now for the April 19th grand opening of the escape rooms. So thanks for watching, everybody. We're going to go play, and we'll see you soon.